Hi there, I'm Aisha, a part of our Microsoft Teams team. I'm here to share a new feature, collaborative annotations, that you can use in your next Teams meeting for a more engaging experience. Before your meeting starts, you will want to confirm your presenter settings. Only participants with the presenter role can start collaborative annotation. From your calendar, choose to edit the meeting you want, then select Meeting Options. Choose to let everyone or only specific people be presenters. During your meeting, you can now use collaborative annotations to allow all meeting participants to draw, type, or react right on top of the content being shared. After you join the meeting and once you've shared your screen, as the presenter, you can click the pen icon at the top center of your screen to start. When selected, everyone in the meeting will see Annotations toolbar appear on the top of the content you are sharing. They will be able to add a note, reaction, highlight text, and so much more to share their thoughts right on the content, live with everyone else. Collaborative cursors also show the attendee's name as they annotate. You can restrict annotations to presenter only by navigating to the settings menu in the annotation toolbar and selecting Only I Can Annotate. Exporting annotations is not supported at this time, but you can take screenshots throughout the meeting to save annotated content for reference after the meeting. Be sure to try out using collaborative annotations in your next Teams meeting and let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get more Teams tips and how-tos. Bye!